This is the second part of the previous video, and this topic is all about the management roles. There are three types of management roles. The first one is interpersonal, the second one is informational, and the last one is decisional. The first interpersonal is the figurehead. They perform social, inspirational, and ceremonial duties. The second interpersonal is the leader. The leader is the heart of the manager and subordinate relationship. The third and last interpersonal is the liaison. Liaison builds and maintains relationship with other companies. The first in informational is the monitor. It seeks and receives information from various sources to evaluate the organization performances, well-being, and situation. The second informational is the disseminator. The manager communicates external information to the organization and facilitates information exchange between subordinates. The third and last informational is the spokesperson. The spokesperson relays information to the groups and entities outside the company. The first and decisional is the entrepreneur. The manager designs and initiates new opportunities for the company, and the manager is a risk taker. The second one in decisional is the disturbance handler. The disturbance handler may arise from certain actions of the staff, unexpected changes in resources, and external threats. The third one in decisional is the resource allocator. The manager oversees and controls resource allocation by evaluating major decisions involving resources. The third and last decisional is the negotiator. It takes charge of communicating and negotiating with other organizations, and even among the members of the company. Negotiation is a vital task of all managers. The last topic is all about the management skills. The first management skills is conceptual skills. It's the ability to analyze and solve different kinds of problems or scenarios. The second management skills is the human skills. It includes a proficiency in dealing and transacting with different kinds of people. The last management skills is the technical skills. It refers to the competitive skills required in the respective job. That's the end of my report. Again, this is Neil Cyron Dizon, your accountant manager, and thank you for listening.